Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you want to check your history of watch, or let's say your watch history on X, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, launch your X account. Then tap onto your profile, expand settings and support, tap on settings and privacy. Tap your account. At the section, you will see download and archive of your data. If you download this, it will show you all of your watch history and many more. So tap it. So guys, I have switched to my web browser because they wouldn't let me record my screen in a X application. So the next step is simply type in your password, then tap on next. As it is so, tap on send code and they will send you a code in your email. You have to copy that code, paste it here. Once done, tap on next. Just like so guys, it will ask you to download your data. It will take a couple business days in order to download your data and provide it to you, but you have to stay updated with your X notification and you will be able to see all of your watch history.